forever. So I finally found the blind, and the wood is different, but it's close enough. We're just going to pretend that the main wall there is, like a warehouse type building, and the interior walls are interior, so different wood. Now we got the windows here on the right hand side, but it's whatever. This is Scale World. We're going to have fun with it. I like it. So let's take a look at what all I've done here. You can see it on the back wall here. I've added a beam across the top. This is 1/4 inch, and I would like to do that on the bottom, but I ran out. I had enough to do the sides and that one across the top of the back. So starting over here, we've got 2 windows. I went ahead and hung some shelves. Those are the same shelves that were in the other scale garage. They're just stained to match all this old wood. The windows are dollhouse. And yeah, the beams are, the main uprights are 1/2 inch, and the other one's 1/4 inch. And pretty happy with it. I really need to get some shorter nails for my nail gun, because I have to go through and cut the ends off of them on the back so I don't scratch myself all up trying to get around the shop. This thing is huge. It is, even though it's about the same size as the table. It is just so much bigger than the other one, and it's intrusive here in the room, so it's going to be tricky getting over here, especially on the other side of the welding area. So yeah, this is taking so long. I forgot halfway through that I had started using the spray glue on this side, because I did that Thursday night, and it is now Sunday night. And yeah, I had some other stuff going on this weekend, and I just flat forgot all about it, but it works still. We use wood glue on the other side, and it'll be fine once it dries. It's just finicky. It's taking forever to dry. Yeah. The upper structure, the beams, made this truss to go across the top. You can even see that. I have a scale item that's going to have a purpose for, and I think I'm going to get another set of those lights, and I'm going to actually mount them out here on this. It's not the sturdiest thing in the world. I may have to reinforce it a little more, but yeah, I just wanted to I don't want a complete roof, but I need the lights underneath, and I think those warm halogen lights look a lot better than a stark white LED light will. So I want to bring that lighting out a little further. This side, no window. We've got a little bit of different color. I've got to some other pieces of the blind that were patina and old, whatever. Trying to mix it up, kind of make it as random as possible. But other than that, I ran out of the beams. I needed one more, so I made one here out of some smaller wood that I'd already distressed. I'd already beaten it and poked holes in it and all that. Really can't tell. I mean, that's going to be at the edge of the camera shot anytime we're doing anything in the scale garage. So really not worried about that, or this end, how they look, because we're going to be in here focused on the rat rods and stuff like that. But yeah, it's taken forever. All the process of staining and distressing the wood and stuff like that. I probably will add some more to the back wall. Add another brace, board across. I need to get some more of that 1/4 inch, and I have to hammer it and beat it up, and then I have to stain it, and then I've got to try to cut it. I couldn't film some of installing these side pieces, these pieces, because to get back there I had to pretty much get in the scale garage, and I didn't think anybody wanted to sit there and look at my butt on camera, so skip that part. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. This is definitely, I'm pretty excited. This is my dream shop. Just something rustic and old and warm, and it just breeds creativity. And I hope it translates out into the scale world for me as well. So the next video is going to be the scale accessories. I've got 2 16 gig cards full right now, so we're going to have to wait and do that in another video, plus I'm out of time for today. But yeah, next video we will get all the scale goodness in. I can show you all these new little ideas and scale accessories that I found, and we can get it actually all set up and going. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. It's #RCeveryday. And keep a scale. I'll see y'all in the next video.